Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing bellycloths.com. So as you can see right here, I have it here open up on their website. So as you can see, if you don't know what they do, they sell clothes that resemble like a darker theme. So for example, a raven right here, which is very clearly AI generated right here. And here, a bloodstained t-shirts and hats. So it is very disturbing design. So it is also not for children, it's for those people who like these kinds of stuff. And actually, they're actually a scam. So actually, malware tips expose them. So as you can see, on the surface, but appears to be a legitimate online retailer. However, bears this kind of items to be at prices significantly lower than major retailers. However, in reality, bellycloths.com is a scam website that engages in deceptive tactics to trick customers into placing orders and handing over their money or sensitive personal information. So you can either get nothing at all, or you can get knockoff or inferior substitutes, or you can get used or damaged goods or tampered goods, or the completely wrong items. So they also go over how the store operates right here, like social media advertising and on and on. So please guys, do not order from them. They're very clearly a scam, and their apparel is very clearly AI generated. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.